Mimi Frugal Chef. Today we'll be making chocolate mint patties. Now this is a delicious snack and it's very minty, so it will give you a good breath. So let's get started. Now we're gonna start off with a medium-sized bowl and we're gonna sift 4 cups of powdered sugar. Now we're gonna have to sift it so that we don't have any lumps. Now we're gonna go sifting it little by little, just like this. In a little bowl, we're gonna mix our wet ingredients. Now this is really simple. We're gonna need 2 tablespoons plus 1 teaspoon of water, and then we're gonna add 3/4 teaspoon of peppermint extract or mint extract. And now we're just going to mix it together for a little bit with our whisk. We're gonna get our wet ingredients and we're gonna whisk while we're pouring our wet ingredients. Just like this. Okay, once your wet ingredients are all mixed in with your dry ingredients, it should look like this. Now, we're gonna add tablespoon by tablespoon of water, and we're just gonna mix it until we have a dough-like consistency. Now, your dough should look like this once it is all thick and ready. Now, before shaping our bites, we are gonna sprinkle some powdered sugar on our parchment paper and on our hand. Now we're just gonna get a little bit of our dough, roll it out in a little circle. It doesn't matter if it goes flat, this is how your patties should look. And now with a bowl, we're just gonna squish them a little bit. Just like that. Now, make sure your bowl has some powdered sugar on the bottom so it doesn't stick to your patty. So you go like this and you lift it. Now we're gonna melt some chocolate. Now I'm using milk chocolate, but you can use any type of chocolate you'd like. Now, what we're gonna do is I'm gonna melt this chocolate in the microwave 25 seconds at a time until it's completely melted and it has a liquid consistency. Okay everyone, once your chocolate is all melted, it should look like this and it should have this consistency. And that's how we're gonna cover our mint patties. Okay everybody, once your chocolate is melted, as you can see, I already covered my patties with some chocolate. Now, when your patties are ready, we're gonna shape them again into little balls, just like this. Now, they don't have to be perfect balls. They should be like this, and we're gonna dip them in the chocolate, and with a fork, we're gonna turn them around and take them out of the chocolate into our parchment paper, just like that. And that's how you're gonna get your chocolate covered mint patties. And we're just gonna follow this same step with all our patties. My chocolate patties have been in the refrigerator for 3 hours, and this is how they look like. And I just want to eat them, so let's taste them. Wait. It is sweet, but not too sweet. And it has this minty flavor that just makes your mouth watering. I would eat them all, but sharing is caring and I have to share with my family. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. And you know what, I would also really appreciate it if you would follow this recipe and give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. And don't forget to turn on your post notifications bell so you don't miss out on any of my delicious recipes. Bye. See you next time.